Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will be guiding you through the Fibromyalgia Test. Fibromyalgia is a disorder characterized by widespread musculoskeletal pain accompanied by fatigue, sleep, memory and mood issues. Determining fibromyalgia is notoriously tricky, often labeled the invisible illness, due to the absence of visible signs. The Fibromyalgia Test seeks clarity amidst the vague symptoms that fibromyalgia often presents. Unlike other conditions where a blood test or an X-ray might reveal the root cause, fibromyalgia requires a more holistic approach to diagnosis. This tool is a comprehensive assessment focusing on pain points, fatigue, sleep disturbances, and several other factors. To use our free fibromyalgia test, follow these steps. Download our fibromyalgia test from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Inquire about previous diagnoses, especially conditions often associated with fibromyalgia like IBS or migraines. Ask about surgeries, allergies, and a family history of fibromyalgia or other rheumatic diseases. Engage in a detailed questionnaire. This section helps determine the extent and duration of these symptoms. Make sure to cover all areas including sleep, mood, cognitive disturbances, and more. Ensure that the patient is honest and open about their symptoms. A reassuring approach works best. Start with a 10-point examination, which is central to diagnosing fibromyalgia. Blood tests are essential to rule out other conditions. Consider a sleep study or further neurological examinations depending on the patient's complaints. Summarize the findings, note down crucial observations and any notable symptoms, and determine the severity of the condition. Ensure that all aspects of the patient's health are considered. Based on the findings, come to a diagnosis. If fibromyalgia is diagnosed, lay down the next steps. Recommendations could include therapy, medications, or lifestyle changes. Here is a sample of our fibromyalgia test, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our fibromyalgia test, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.